everyone, my name is Satya Prakash. Welcome to HTML course. In this video, we will learn about how HTML works, what is HTML. If you are a beginner, don't worry, we will explain everything from the scratch. Now we will start. What is HTML? What is the need of HTML? How can we create our first single web page website using the HTML? So first of all, we will know about what is HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language. That is we will use to give the structure for our website. Like let's say example with let's understand with the example. Assume that you are in the room. You can see the different places have like a fan is on the corner, table is on the middle. So we will structure like that web page. One box in the center, then another box in corner, like that. So let's move to the how can we write a first HTML code. So first of all, this is the boilerplate code. Document type, then HTML, then head title of the page. Like that, we can see that here introduction to HTML on the top of the tab. See here, this is the title of the page. Whatever we will give in the title tag, that is shown here. Then this is can you see able to see, like here is the logo, HTML text, all the text, whatever we can see on the screen, that is written under this between the body tag. Body open then close. Tag, what is the tag? You can see here document type, declaration define that this document is HTML5 document. Using this, we can see say the browser that we are using the HTML5 version. So this is the HTML element, is root element of HTML page. Like whenever we go to write HTML code, first of all we have to write this HTML tag. Then head element contain meta information about the HTML page. Head is basically containing metadata, links, whatever we like giving to the link, another image, another page. So that links are mentioned in the head. This is the title. So already we've seen that whatever we write in the title, that will seen on the tab of the browser. Then body defines the element document body and contain all the visual contents such as heading, paragraph, images, hyperlinks, tabs, list, etc. Whatever we see the tags, text, headings, that we will written under the body tag. Body tag is the body tag containing heading tag, paragraph tag, that all are coming under the body tag. Then what is HTML element? HTML defines the start tag, some content, and end tag. See, we are starting here, tag, name, then we are writing a some content, then we will closing the tag. How can we close? We will use the forward slash to closing the tag. Now let's move to the another further. What is H1? H1, see here also, this is that we are writing the content in the center, and right and left side we are have opening tag, then closing tag with the forward slash. See here some examples of the starting tag, some contents, and end tag. BR. BR is a singular tag. It is a self closing tag. We will just start, not we are ending this tag. Will all be only written at once, and it is the break the line. We will understand further what is the use of that. What is web browser? Web browser is a like web browser like Chrome, Firefox, Edge is a read HTML document and display them correctly. A browser does not display the HTML tag but use them to determine how to display the documents. Like for it means this like your browser. What is the working of browser? Whatever we write the code, that is visualized and showing on your screen. See, like that. Here is the logo. We will see some examples. We are on the Google website. So here can this is the navbar containing about store, Gmail image, and some icons. Then in the center we are writing we are showing a Google logo icon image. So, and here is the search bar. Then this is the two buttons, Google search and I am feeling lucky. This is the all links of different languages. So how can we create this? So we are creating this using of HTML, that one image in the center. Then we will create a search bar. Then here showing a two separate buttons and links also. So this is the example HTML page structure. Below is the visual of HTML page structure. Like here is the HTML head, title, and then head close. So head containing title tag. In the title tag, whatever we write like a page title, when we paste here something else, then our tab link tab text is changed. Then this is the body tag. All the elements are coming under the body tag. Then here HTML close. The content inside the body section, we will display in a browser that contain a title will show in the browser title bar of the page. This is the introduction of HTML. Let me spin up my VS Code. So we will create a folder here on the desktop, new folder, HTML project. Now we will hold and open in VS Code. This is the text editor where we are writing our HTML code. Whenever we creating a first HTML file, we will give the name index.html. When you click shift plus exclamatory mark and then enter, this is the this is the basic boilerplate code. Whenever you write any HTML code, you need to write this all those things. So this is the shortcut for boilerplate code: shift plus exclamatory mark then enter. Now we can check first it is working or not. So here my first web page. Here we writing one paragraph. Let write H1 heading. Welcome to my web page. So we are just checking it is working or not. So for the running of HTML, you had to download the extension like here we can live preview on live server. We already installed. You need to install it for running the HTML. So you can see in the bottom you go live. Whenever you click go live, see this is the working. And also we can see on the nav bar title of the page, my web page, and this is the heading, welcome to my web page. So it is working. Let's see side by side. Then we will create us some. We will also give paragraph tag, writing some content that my name is Satya Prakash. See, my name is Satya Prakash. Here the text is coming. You can see the right side. Let's write something else. This is my first web page. This is the tag, a starting tag, closing tag, and writing content in the center. And this is the singular tag like br tag. See, we are writing the paragraph br in the center br tag. This is the singular tag, self closing tag. So whenever you write this, the paragraph we will writing a br tag. Br tag means break the line. So you can see this is my, and then break the line, and then first web page. You can see also here result first web page. So H1 is heading tag. Whenever we write HTML web page, we should give one heading H1. We have H1 tag, H2 tag, H3 tag, H4 tag. H1 is the most important tag. Whenever we give some color to background, write BG color means background color black. You can see here our web page color background color is black, so we have to give text color white so we can see the text white. Now visual, if we want to showing some image on our web page, we have to use image tag here, source of the image. Then when image is not working, then that alternate name is showing at the place of image. So right, this is the flower image. And let's copy the flower link. This is the flower link. We can copy from, yeah, copy image link, then we will paste here. We can see the image, it is too big because the size of the image is too large. So we can also manage, give the specific height and width of the image. So simply we have to write here height 300 pixel. Now we will able to see the image like that. If we want to give some links to the our web page, so you have to just write anchor, then showing some link to web page, you have to write here Google. Assume that we want to create a link for the Google. So whenever we click on that, we will refer to the Google website. So we have to write here Google, then here Google URL like https google.com. We can see here when we click on that Google, it's referred to a Google website. This is how we can create a web page. We can give the structure of our web page, how the text and heading are displayed on our screen. So let's create a simple web page like giving a H1 heading, hello, not hello, welcome to my page. It should be in center, line center. So it display on the center of the screen. Then writing some text, some to writing some random text. We can write lorem, so it generate some lines of fake sentences. We can also give alignment center, so it is displayed on the center of the screen. We can also use break the line. So if we want to break here, see it coming in second line. Now we will give link like Google HTTPS Google. So see here, this is the Google link. If we want to go on our second web page, simply we create another HTML page giving index2.html. We can write a heading. This is our second page. We will create a link for this page. So like anchor tag, then we will go give link index2.html. We can write a text visit. Now we can see here when we click on visit, this is our second web page. It revert to our second web page. We also create here one link to going our first web page. So right here anchor tag, then index.html first page. See here when we click on here, we are coming on our home page. Then visit, coming on our second page. So this is the use of anchor link. If we want to show some images like image flower, just copy the link of the image. This is the alternate name, sunflower. When the links is not working, for the example, we remove slash, so it is not working. So see, we can hear the sign of image and sunflower. Whenever that sunflower text is written on the alternate. Now we also give horizontal line HR tag. So one line is coming on the web page that taking a full width of web page. This it means the horizontal line. It taking full width of web page HR tag. If we want to move this image to the center, then align center. So the image is moved to the center. Writing some paragraph. This is sun, flower. It looks pretty cool. So we are creating a simple web page. You can draw with your own creativity a different design. We can also create a circle using the div tag. Like this is the div we will give to the height, height 200 pixel with 300 pixel background. Now we will move to what is CSS. CS is a cascading style sheet. So when we want to change the color of the text, we can using the CSS we can simply change the color of the text. So we can also uh, use the CSS in the same line like using the align style tag. Assume that we will give the different color. It's look pretty cool text, so we can write simply color red. So here we can see that the text color is red. uh, yeah, if we uh, give some size, so font size to rem. See, this is the size. This is the first page, this is the second page. We also make a circle on the web page. For example, we will be if you want to source a circle on the web page, so how can you create a circle? So use div tag. In the div tag, we will use inline CSS using the style. Then give some height to the div. Height 200 pixel. Then width 200 pixel. Give different background color. For the background color, pink. You can see this is the div box. So you can make the circle writing like border radius 50%. See, this is the circle we can create using the HTML. You can write here. Thank you. We can create another circle inside circle like div. If we want to create a button, so simply you can write a div style. If you want to create a button on the web page, so you write button, then click me. So you can see here one button. You can make click on that. So this is just a simple example of creating a static web page using HTML, and this CSS part we will cover later.